Welcome back, and you know what it is. It is original greatness. And you know I've been telling you guys about the importance of reading and increasing your value so you can ultimately increase your income. And today I'm going to share with you guys what I use to get my hands on some free books. So there's this website called thriftbooks.com. They do have an app that you can download to your phone, and they sell new books and old books, but they're in excellent condition. And if you purchase a certain amount of books in one shipment, you get free shipping. They also have a point system. So after you accumulate a certain amount of points, they give you a free book. So that's an excellent platform to use. The second platform that I use is old school eBay. And man, I found some steals on eBay, especially if it's some newer books. So the only knock I have on using eBay, even though they're an excellent platform and you get great quality books, is the shipping. But you know that's out of their control because that's based on the individual seller that you're buying from. Now, the third option is the best when you want the books fast and you want the best deals on newer books. And that's Amazon. Anytime I need a brand new book, a new release or something like that, they have it at the best price after checking every platform. They always have the best price and you get it really fast. So those are the three sites or platforms that I use to purchase my books. Now, if you haven't done this yet, I'm telling you, please download Goodreads.com. I have a link down in the description, and you create a profile on there and you can keep track of everything that you purchased as far as where you got your books from, when you bought them. It's just an excellent tool, not just for you to keep track of your progress, but you can track other people's progress. So you can follow my profile on Goodreads.com at Original Greatness, and you can see what I'm reading and what I have in my library. Now, the two titles that I'm reading as of right now, or that I'm working on, the first title is called The Art of, I'm sorry, I'm taking words out of it. The Subtle Art of Not Giving by Manson. And this book was recommended by ONeal, a fellow YouTuber, and I'll have his link down in the description as well. And the second title I'm reading is called How to Sell Stocks Short by William J. ONeal. And I'm reading this book so I can improve my skills and my knowledge so I can become more profitable as an investor and a trader. So I want to thank you guys for watching the video. Please make sure you share, you like, you comment, and you subscribe. And so I know you made it to the end of the video. Down below, comment L and E for learn and earn. So, as always, be original, be great, and say, I am original greatness. God bless.